Do you want to stay updated on your orders with Amazon Business? In this video, I will show you how to enable shipping and delivery notifications on the Amazon Business app step by step, so you never miss an update about your purchases. Notifications help you track deliveries, plan for shipments, and manage your business orders more efficiently. So to know how it works, just follow me. The first thing you have to do is to go to Amazon Business app. In this first page of this application, you will click here on, you will sign in to your account. Then you will find the sign of profile, so you will tap on your profile here. In this window, and then in this page of settings, you will find here notifications. You will tap on notifications. After that, you will find here account and shipping, so you will click on account and shipping, and then you will find this feature here of shipping and delivery. Find out when packages ship and arrive. So you will click here to enable this feature. As you see here, if this color is changed to the blue color, then you can know how to enable it in easy way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.